The way I usually do these problems is by drawing brackets around the prefix and postfix expressions in the way that they are now, so we can easily convert to prefix equation. So I'm going to start by rewriting the equation, and then we'll move on to actually writing brackets around the terms. So as you see, A2 and the arrow, B2 arrow, AB plus, and AB minus are all postfix expressions. So I'm going to start by converting those to prefix expressions. That becomes, as you see, up arrow A2, arrow B2, and then we're going to keep that minus sign for now and then convert the other postfix expressions as I did, as you see. And then that minus sign that you see in the middle is postfix for the two expressions already in parentheses. So that moves to the front. And then, so I'm writing that. And then also, the multiplication sign is postfix for the plus AB and minus AB terms. So as you see, minus moves to the front of the two expressions, up arrow A2, up arrow B2, and the star moves to the very front of the plus AB minus AB expressions. So now I'm going to rewrite all of this to see the actual answer, and that is minus arrow A2, arrow B2, star, plus AB, minus AB.